You have picked Judge number 4, Miss Patty Yap. Hi, good evening.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. I've prepared so much for this night. I'm so ready.
That's good. So here's your question. Ano ang mensahe mo sa mga kababaihang kulang ang tiwala sa sarili? Again, ano ang mensahe mo sa mga kababaihang kulang ang tiwala sa sarili?
Thank you for that question. Coming from someone who has overcome a lot of self-doubts in my life, I get what she's coming from. And I do believe that if we start on embracing ourselves, our true and authentic self, by staying true to our core, and always remember that it is always part of our journey. And I believe that as an empowered Filipina, that's what we should do. As an advocate of children and women empowerment in the Philippine Air Force Reserve and the youth director of Young Men's Christian Association, and in this journey, I've reached my profound realization, and that is to dedicate my whole self in serving our community. Today, here in Caloocan, and of course, in the bigger stage, towards the international community. And wherever this crown may bring me, I am surely ready for my destiny. Thank you so much. Wow! And you have picked Judge number 2, Mr. Mike Lim.
Good evening, candidate number 13.
Good evening.
This is your question. Kung ikaw ay isang fairy godmother, sino ang pipiliin mong gabayan at bigyan ng kahilingan? One more time. Kung ikaw ay isang fairy godmother, sino ang pipiliin mong gabayan at bigyan ng kahilingan? Answer?
I believe ang gusto kong bigyan ng kahilingan ay ang mga kabataan. Gagawin ko instrumento ang aking sarili para maging matuwid ang kanilang buhay. Ituro ko sa kanila kung ano ang mga dapat gawin at hindi. At maging okay ang kanilang buhay at maging sakripisyo lang sa lahat ng bagay. At magiging successful lahat ng kanilang buhay at magiging okay lang. And I thank you.
Miss Kim Abelar.
Good evening, candidate number 1. My question is, kaninong buhay ba ang mas magaan? Sa lalaki o sa babae? Again, kaninong buhay ba ang mas magaan? Sa lalaki ba o sa babae?
Thank you. Para sa akin, walang pinipiling kasarian para malaman kung ano ang mas mahirap na buhay. Dahil bawat isa, anuman ang kasarian, ay may kahinaan at kalakasan. At ang kahinaan na yon ay magagamit para magpalakas ng bawat isa. At ang kalakasan na yon ay bumibigay ng pag-asa. Kaya sa mundong ito na ating ginagalawan, hindi hadlang ang kasarian para magkaroon tayo ng magandang buhay.
Wow, thank you so much. Judge number 11, Mayora Aubrey Malapita.
Good evening, candidate number 9. Here's the question. Bakit dapat naisuot ng isang reyna ang korona sa kanyang puso at hindi sa kanyang ulo? Again. Bakit dapat naisuot ng isang reyna ang korona sa kanyang puso at hindi sa kanyang ulo?
Thank you for that question. I believe that any title, crowns, and pageant victories are about responsibilities. And I believe that crown symbolizes responsibilities, and when you know your commitment, you will put your heart and passion into it. And I think that beauty queens should put their crown in their hands because it is more than just a glitz and glamour. Because pageants is about heart, service, and a purpose. Thank you. No choice, you only got one envelope. And your judge is, you have picked judge number 7, Mr. Anthony Ramirez.
Congratulations, number 2. Congratulations. So my question is, sa anong edad ang na gumamit ng social media ang mga bata? Ulit. Sa anong edad angkop na gumamit ng social media ang mga bata?
Thank you so much. Social media has the positive and negative side, but we should always focus on the positive side of it. And when a child is well parented by their parents and teach them on how to be responsible upon doing an action, then it should be acknowledged and accepted regardless of age. And always remember that before doing an action, we have to think it twice, thrice, or even 10 times. With this mindset, our youth will be more mature and will grow according to what our pambansang bayani wants. Kabataan, ang pag-asa ng bayan. Thank you.